Let's look at some more anatomical and physiological differences in non-human animals. Again, we use that phrase sexually dimorphic nuclei in the last slide. Morph is shape, di is two. That means a different shape of the nucleus based on your sex, your sexual behavior. Now, in rats, and as a scientist studying sexual behavior in non-human animals, we have to quantify the data, right? So we have to have something we can measure. So what we have in rats is stereotypical sexual behavior. We have what's called mounting. So this is a male mounting a female. It may sound silly because it seems obvious, but if you're manning a clipboard and try to measure how many times an animal mounts, you have to have a concrete criteria for measuring that. The female stereotypical behavior is called lordosis. Lordosis, she arches her back and receives entry from the male. So mounting and lordosis are the two stereotypical sex behaviors for both the male and the female rat, respectively. Now, the female rats have a nucleus called the ventromedialHypothalamus, which is different in size than the males. It is a sexually dimorphic nuclei. The ventromedialHypothalamus sends projections all the way into the spinal cord that stimulate lordosis behavior. Okay? So, when the male makes contact, when she's in heat, the male makes contact. Turns out there's sensory receptors right here. She will fight him off for a while, but then she will lordose and receive entry by the male. So, the sexually dimorphic nuclei for females is the ventromedial hypothalamus.